Hawks are nature's ultimate survivors. Let's dive into why these birds of prey are thriving all around us. Hawks are incredibly adaptable birds. You can spot them soaring over forests, grasslands, deserts, and even cityscapes. Their secret? Flexibility. Adapting to various habitats means they can find food and shelter just about anywhere. Whether it's snatching a mouse from a field or grabbing a pigeon in a bustling city, hawks are top-tier hunters. And their role in nature? Absolutely vital. As top predators, hawks help control populations of small mammals and insects. That means healthier ecosystems and fewer pests. So next time you see a hawk gliding above, remember you're looking at one of nature's most adaptable and essential creatures. Pretty amazing, right? Stay curious, nature lovers, and keep an eye on the skies.